Shopware is simple and modern for small to mid stores. Magento is powerful for large and complex stores, but needs more tech and cost. Choosing the right platform for an online store is a big decision. It is the engine that will power your business. Today, we will look at two popular options: Shopware and Magento. This video will give you a clear comparison. We will use simple facts and data. Our goal is to help you understand which one is better for your specific needs. We will compare them head-to-head across all the important areas. By the end, you will know the winner for your store size: small startup, growing medium-sized business, or large enterprise. This guide is for everyone. You do not need to be a technical expert. We will look at the real costs you can expect and the technical skills needed for each platform. This is not just a list of features. It is a practical guide to making a smart business decision. We will show you the pros and cons of both Shopware and Magento. We promise a clear recommendation by store size. This is not a sales pitch. It is a neutral head-to-head analysis. We will cover everything from the initial setup process, long-term maintenance and scaling, and break down costs, features, speed, design options, and support. Our analysis is based on the state of these platforms today, November 3, 2025. The e-commerce world changes fast, but their core strengths remain consistent. Shopware started in Germany and is popular across Europe. It is known for a modern approach and focuses heavily on the customer's shopping experience. Shopware offers a free community edition and paid plans like Shopware Rise and Shopware Evolve with more features and support. It is user-friendly and design-focused, with many great features built in, so you need fewer plugins to start. It is designed for merchants who want a great-looking store without a large developer team. The interface is intuitive. On the other side, Magento, now Adobe Commerce, is one of the most famous names in e-commerce and has led for many years. Many still call it Magento. There is a free Magento open source version. Magento is famous for power and flexibility and can handle very large complex stores for global brands. The core difference is philosophy. Shopware builds UX first to make engaging shopping worlds with a tidy, efficient admin. Magento is built for ultimate control and customization. Magento assumes complex needs: many countries, different prices, taxes, languages, multi-store. It is a powerful toolkit for skilled developers. This power comes at a cost. More complex to set up and manage. You will almost certainly need a specialized Magento developer or agency. Let's move into the practical differences you will feel on day one. Setup, ease of use, and time to launch. Getting started is the first challenge for any new store owner. Here, Shopware has a clear advantage. The setup process is generally simpler and faster. The installation is more straightforward than Magento's. Once installed, the admin area is clean and modern and feels intuitive. People who are not very technical can create products, manage orders, and design landing pages with ease, getting live and selling quickly. Magento presents a much steeper learning curve. The setup process is complex and often requires technical expertise and knowledge of Magento's requirements. The admin panel is incredibly powerful but very dense, with thousands of options. For a new user, this can be overwhelming. Example: to create a sales promotion, in Shopware, Rule Builder has a simple interface. If a cart is over £100, give free shipping. In Magento, rules can be more complex but harder for beginners to configure. So, for ease of use, Shopware is the clear winner for most people. Ideal if you want to manage your store without constant technical help. Magento suits businesses with a dedicated technical team or agency on retainer. For a fast launch and smooth day-to-day management, Shopware provides a much easier beginning. The total cost of an e-commerce platform includes hosting, development, themes, extensions, and maintenance. For small to medium businesses, Shopware is often more affordable. The free Community Edition has core features to start selling. Paid plans add features and support and are priced competitively. Easier management means lower developer fees. Magento has a reputation for being expensive at scale. Magento open source is free, but you need higher performance hosting and paid developer time for setup and updates. The costs add up quickly, especially for security updates, staging, and deployments. For large businesses, Adobe Commerce licensing can be tens of thousands of pounds per year, with advanced features and enterprise support. A small shopware store, hosting around £30 to £100 per month, a premium theme £100 to £500 one time, and a few plugins £50 to £200 each. Manageable initial investment. A similar Magento open source store, hosting likely £100 to £300 per month plus thousands in developer time for the initial setup. Total cost of ownership for Magento is almost always higher. Shopware wins on cost for small and medium stores. Lower technical spend lets you invest more in marketing and inventory. Magento becomes compelling for large enterprises. At scale, Adobe Commerce's cost is a smaller slice of revenue, justified by powerful features and support. When it comes to features, the choice between Shopware and Magento depends on what you need. Shopware comes with a fantastic set of features out of the box. Powerful tools for content and brand storytelling. Shopping Experiences lets you build custom pages with a drag-and-drop editor. Landing pages, blog posts, and unique category pages. Promotion Engine and customer management tools cover most regular store needs without lots of plugins. Magento is the king of flexibility and customization, especially with Adobe Commerce, built to handle extreme complexity. Advanced multi-warehouse retail and wholesale, complex product types, and deep business rules are Magento's strengths. Shopware focuses on making common things easy. Magento focuses on making almost anything possible, but not always easy. In Shopware, if a very specific feature is missing, you might need a custom extension. Magento excels at integrations with ERP or PIM and building complex pricing rules by customer group. For a smaller business, Magento's breadth can add unnecessary complexity and cost. Website speed is critical for success. A slow store means lost customers and poor search rankings. Out of the box, Shopware generally has an edge. Built on a modern stack, Symfony and Vue.js, it feels light and fast, performing very well on good hosting with built-in caching and sensible defaults. Magento can be very fast, but it requires effort and investment. On cheap hosting, a standard install is usually slow due to platform size and complexity. Expect expert configuration, varnish, a CDN, code performance tuning, and media optimization. Done right, Magento handles huge traffic brilliantly. Shopware runs happily on a good VPS with relatively low maintenance. Magento often needs a dedicated server or specialized cloud and a skilled admin for ongoing tuning. That ongoing optimization is a hidden cost many new merchants do not anticipate. Out of the box, Shopware wins for speed and simplicity. With high-end hosting and experts, Magento can be one of the fastest and most scalable platforms. For most others, that journey is long and expensive. Next, how you design and extend your store. Themes, page builders, marketplaces, and headless options. The Magento marketplace is huge, over a decade old with thousands of extensions for advanced search, loyalty, and payment gateways. Shopware's marketplace is smaller, but curated and growing quickly. Shopware extensions are well vetted with solutions for payments, shipping, marketing, and essentials, less overwhelming for many teams. Shopware shines with shopping experiences, a built-in drag-and-drop builder for rich, code-free content and fast campaign launches. Magento offers incredible design flexibility, often requiring a developer. It fully supports headless, manage products and orders in Magento with a React or Vue front end. Ultimate freedom, added complexity and cost. Conclusion: it is a tie. Shopware wins for easy code-free control. Magento wins for total custom freedom with a developer. As your business grows, both platforms scale, but differently. Shopware scales well from small to large with modern efficiency. From a few hundred to several thousand orders per month is smooth on Shopware, provided you upgrade hosting as you grow. Paid versions add features and support. Magento is famous for massive scale. Choose it for huge traffic, vast catalogs, complex international ops. Its architecture distributes across multiple servers. Adobe Commerce adds enterprise tooling. Shopware has an active community, partner agencies, and direct support on paid plans. Magento has one of the largest global communities and a huge network of certified developers. Adobe offers 24/7 enterprise support. For global support options and a larger pool of experts, Magento has the advantage. After comparing key areas, the best platform depends on size, complexity, and budget. There is no single winner for everyone. There is a right choice for different merchants. This final section gives a clear recommendation by profile. Pick Shopware if you are a small or medium business. Want to get to market quickly with a beautiful modern store, value ease of use, and want to manage much of the store yourself without a big technical team. Lower initial costs and user-friendly features like shopping experiences empower you to create a great customer experience. If your catalog is standard and rules aren't extreme, Shopware delivers power in a simpler, more affordable package. Pick Magento, Adobe Commerce, if you are a large established retailer or fast-growing enterprise with complex needs. Large catalogs, multi-country operations, deep ERP, and system integrations. If you can invest in expert developers, high-performance hosting, and long-term maintenance, Magento's power and flexibility are unmatched, with a vast extension market and extreme scalability. Your next step: write down requirements, must-have features, expected monthly traffic, product types, and your next year budget. If you prioritize simplicity, speed to market, rich visuals, and lower technical overhead, start exploring Shopware. Book a demo with an agency. If your list is full of complex rules, custom integrations, and plans for massive scale, begin planning a Magento project and consult certified developers.